Priyanka Chopra is known to rely on traditional, homemade beauty remedies. Here's a summary of her popular DIY practices. 1. Brighten. This is a traditional Indian face and body mask. It typically includes ingredients like gram flour, besan, turmeric powder, haldi, yogurt, lemon juice, milk. This helps to exfoliate, brighten, and cleanse the skin. 2. Lip scrub, a simple scrub made with sea salt, glycerin, rose water. This helps to exfoliate and soften the lips. 3. Ice therapy, she uses ice to reduce puffiness and tighten pores. 4. Hair mask, a nourishing mask for dry scalp and dandruff, made with full-fat yogurt, honey, egg. This helps to moisturize the scalp and condition the hair. 5. Coconut oil champi, regular coconut oil head massages, a traditional practice, to nourish the scalp and promote healthy hair. These DIY routines reflect her connection to her Indian heritage and her preference for natural beauty solutions.